last night and Friday night.
Yes, Pearl. So what's up today? How you work?
No, I'm not too bad, man. Me sell me little something. I come back with nothing too tough. Those couple could carrot. The one as I tell you wouldn't sell out, but the okra. And the goose, except like Irish. Pepper not sell out neither, but and the garlic. But two of the garlic.
So where Raga?
Eh?
Where Raga?
Raga? Raga na yard. You know, come here and go away. You may come, come in and give me a pussy. I inquired, you know, come. When you cool down now, he come. But it's a man where me good girl go. Me good girl, I'm down on my bed, I'm here. From my door. I'm here, where me listen.
A female days, but pum pum.
Wow, I know him fuck.
I relax, that one if you relax yourself, you know.
You can't tell him how to relax. The man body hot. And him is a coolie. Coolie. Cool.
What you say, body hot,
Body
Pearl?
hot, I know him hot. You man who say, you know, I hear that something head. The whole of the moon and the bright light shine. The young boy, I look all woman and also they tell them, you know. But me, you know that, I'm a fuck young boy.
Your mother want Raga kill you?
Your mother big, whether I kill some or not, me never, me know, you know the young boy thing. I prefer be a old man, darling. I want a young boy pet. Baby not me, the old girl I face him man. Most of me love my old boy. My man don't have no discipline or principle. And this is the only way I love my young boy. And I used to young boy tomorrow, my old girl now.
Yeah.
And you know, so for me, I come up and I talk to my sister and my say, but a woman love old man. Me say no old man, but me love young boy. Because young boy don't go fuck them want, you know. And them not nothing give them wife and mind them. You know that with young boy. If I mind an old boy. Because me old and him old. But you my young boy, I'll give me the young boy, say, I fucking old woman, I go on with you. Go on here, woman. You're tired body, that's what the man tell you. You know some big man really skin out the young boy.
I know, so them nasty.
No, they want to say them young. Or them say them keep fresh and them look young. But
keep which fresh?
Them not to keep me young. Me, the father above will keep me and know him want me.
If you want to keep young and fresh, you gotta exercise. Go to gym or you go find somewhere exercise.
No, them now, can't do them now. Them now old because I think them say, them not a old woman and them so. Them now old because them are young today and younger tomorrow and younger the next day.
A young girl can take a Raga from you.
No, man, you're back gonna fuck young girl.
Or a old woman. Because Raga hot.
Yes, I feel. You don't want nobody to go cry and like cocky.
Want to the coolie woman?
You know, he say me beat.
She not fool back on Raga again
no,
for a beat time.
I meet her, she not fool when him not go there. Him so lie, my man. You take man talk. But anyway, him say no go there, I mean, I really see him no way when I move like him I go there, you know? But me not trust him still for man him name.
Yeah, don't trust, you can't trust no man.
No, man is too smart and original. Me not trust him. All him a done a tell me that. I say, well, you're good to go, you know, you're alright. If you're, whether you're good or you're not good, none of them can talk to me when them not run. You understand? So me not really matter. Them only fuck and me only you. So, me not know. The one really cool the one when got that brand. Because when you fuck with me, say, look here. You see, little mirrors me when you ever fuck. You see, like when you fuck with me, me can beat out in pussy. You say, the man, the woman say, go away. Go in the yard, you know. Not in the yard. I say, man, I get a scandal bag of stone. I take off my shoes. And I have me little money for me where I go buy me little load to go sell. And I hide in a bush up there, a house of bread. And I say, man, I sleep in the bush tomorrow the whole night.
Really?
You don't believe me as God live it, that's what I tell you. To know this woman. And when daylight out, man, she come out. And me and her, and, oh, brother, I want you. I mean, you want me to say, alright, you soon know when blood clot want. And I go across the road and pull this cannon bag of stone and wait for her to come down from the road and lean on the road but she could come from over the other side there.
A she alone come out.
Because she a bad girl.
Wait now, a she alone come out of the house the morning.
Brother come up but him not come down on the road. Him tell up a watch me and here now.
Ratted him see?
You don't know did it? You know, didn't know did it? We sleep in the bush side we like alright. You see like what for your yard this and that, no me sleep in the bush over here so. That's when you see the early man when they come out, no gotta go away now. And they come out, it's me that. That's why I want to know that the woman come out and see me and she start going, we're gonna want you, me and her man. I said, I want to show you something, I want to show you who you want. I said, no, well listen now. Him fuck you and me going to beat your blood clot. So you get fuck and beaten after. Tamara, you see when he come down on the road, now you're bagging up on me here, so you see when he come down on the road, you see the post blood clot on the leg, he catch him in his back. And I saw foot I go back up on the yard now, and down the road. My brother said, I heard, you go to look and look. And you see when she bend, he can have a curve, you go, after he come up with the command to turn, and he go track, we go in the yard, you see that? This tool must weigh about 7 pounds. And my hand straight into him and I give me that back here. Whoa! Me say, me dead. Me say, your blood clot, you not dead yet. Take fuck and lick after.
Yo!
You hear him, you dirty man, you know. Mind you kill people. Me just laugh. Me must man. I can't touch me, no. You think you can't touch me?
Yeah?
And I give me telling week too. Come on, right self. I say,
yeah?
But
the outside.
You're man. Yeah, man, you know, one man, Sunday man, me left I go work. When we go across a King Street, no brother that. And the Honda. Rock back so. So, me come up to me say, wait, walk my way out here so early. The woman. And the woman begging me to drop him, because I go to the market to go buy him. Me say, is that right here now, later? I say, yes, man, later. You know why do Tamara? My friend may say, Captain Baker out of town. And so the man just go there and say, look now. You know my bucket? I used to carry this something them. I hit me there and I say, just hold this to me, I go buy something. And you see the lane beside Captain Baker little lane. I forgot to wait in the lane the name. I go up in the lane. Nice piece of board, man, with nail on it. But the nail vibed out. He said, time I forgot about that woman, they weigh the nail, I love it, they not heal me. But God speak to me, you know. He said, but I have a nice man in there. And he say, I want to beat him till he brag alone, you know. Because I don't know that the woman respects a man look like that people know about a woman. Me not got no man house just so you know go fuck, you know. Me say, I went Ghana, look, I went to the one, me say, I live a 41. Me say that the one they want. No, but you see them things in the writing, I show you. You ever get in the name Precious, she's my friend. One man living there, what are we as in a woman and our friend, but the woman where we are share friend now, and the man who can't man at all, don't even carry country people. You see them country woman and them are married woman, them are crosses, you know. The woman a big married woman come here fuck cat man for carrying road free. Wait no. Him know she that town and send it to the baby mother when he live with. So here where him do know. Him carry the woman away. The country woman now come up at the yard to come fuck. Matamara. They said Petrus and do them. Stand up, did it and get it up. Me say, the man named Grant, me say, Precious good on send when I fear the grandson down they could tell the baby, but I when the man that was a fuck the woman, you know. And then it happened that the woman come catch the man upon him, you know. Tamara laughed, did it and nearly dead. You see, then Grant is another drunk club because he's a lower window like that. And he don't have no like phone so on them. And the man had the window a half crack up a top and Precious good enough and see him get in and he get and the woman that come and fly we say the woman take up you know one of them pan and fully a water. time the man a come now, you know, Tamara come broke now, you know. And him a buckle up on pussy. And him want to do so to blood clot and fling the back the pan of water. He said, why? I dead. He said, the man said, no, so you know dead yet. Tamara. They said,
that story that bring back memories.
You can't come out of the yard now. The man can't come out of the house of the baby mother. They say one piece of thinking and grand can't manage them, you know. Because the baby mother determined and him in the middle like cap chicken and the baby mother back of him and the one him fuck the back of him and then now the baby mother there front. So every time the baby look at him back now him and grant him jump there front and said I fuck him down, you see. Me say I laugh the day, I say one piece of excitement arose and I laugh the day till a week. Me say precious. And you say when you don't laugh, me say look here. You know say it's a serious thing you do. It could be upon a acid, you know. You don't like them things you don't do it. So you wouldn't like your fuck a man disturb you and do you. So because you're most frightened when you in there a fuck and you take a stop. Water come from where? Then you know most frightened you want to jump out and sense. Then after so a back and so you know. Me say
no, so that was
that Tamara and then the drag to take off fully.
Take them
up so.
people
He
them
said
next
so.
door.
He said so. I'm going to get in, you know, and I go hold him now like when you hold race and I go broke, you know. We said, Jesus Christ, I don't want to throw it on the water. You man jump on say, you ask that.
The woman never do a better thing than wet them up.
Yeah, and wet them up.
Then that's if you do, man.
But me, I said,
Wet them up.
Yes, but it could be upon an acid.
I do a man already, but it's a hose him get.
Jesus
Go and me
Christ.
and see my
No,
girl in
man.
the house.
This I laughed the day, after I laughed. I said, precious, you don't have to do them things like to be a pan. He said it could be a pan of acid man. And the baby mothers come burn up the man just like that.
Then the months we should do it at the man house.
She do it as joke, we get to laugh, you know.
Yeah.
And a serious thing that when you take when you trick it out. Me said that the day I laughed till I rolled down the whole of 41. I saw laugh, man, I told the woman jump and say, Lord God, me dead now, I think I must say acid. So I walked up. The woman beat them and then don't fuck. Me say, no, sir. You miss me, God, Jesus Christ. Me say, but God, you always had that, you know. And me say, woman, I want uno. Me say, you see uno left in the country, you know, blood clot old married woman. Where go up one like you young. And you can't satisfy. Uno put on ring back, and you can't satisfy one man. You know, nothing like married thing and they run road, man.
Go run road.
Go run road if you never put on no signature for you. I know own a trip on your hand. Go run road if I pussy yourself, go run road. If I say everybody have the husband, you run road. You are going so. Lord, God, me say no, so they married man. Dangerous, so they don't call him dog and all that.
Married woman is so dangerous to them, you
Who
know.
they walk like them? Well, them say them got a market, man. Me say, no man, you can imagine the man drive not take off, you know. He just up in, he just have it, he just dry down, so come back as him again. So he just dry down there so. So if when I'm grandma getting some hold him tight now we broke. Oh, sick lad and the water, you can imagine now.
Grand's supposed to feel nice.
Me I tell you.
You one for the water and then back.
So everything went up nice place, you know, because bed, mattress, woman, him went up because
Everything now went up, man.
Everything went up. But then get it frustrated and trees, you know, because she don't miss, you know. She line them up good.
What she do? She go in the pan them?
No, she line up the pan because the whole room set now we have a little, you know, they also build with something round, you know, step round. Yes, so you just go pan, you know, and get the full internet whoosh.
So the door did open?
No man, the window make it.
Or the window she give her it through, yeah, for through, yeah, that's the stuff for through.
Right, it come, we sit there laugh. But because the whole woman back, me says, no man, me have to laugh. And I've hurtful something say that not right, but why? The way how the woman do it, me have to laugh, man. And grandma tell you.
We do a month already.
Then the ones are getting in.
But I was me give.
Eh?
The hose me give him.
You give the whole of the hose?
The hose in the garden.
Yes, yes.
Put it through the window and wet them up.
Yes.
Man, I'm going here. Why me I get wet? But that's, and then guess what now? Now me do it so nice. Because I know some have a woman there, you know. So, I take the taxi. I tell the taxi, don't move, wait for me.
Yeah.
Taxi man park up out under the mango tree, wait for me, you know. So, I say, alright, what am I going to do, you know? I'm going to look for make sure some of a woman in there. So, I'm reach the window mirror. Yes.
And she a crying the cocky. It's a cocky, I bite him.
I say, alright, I'm going to do, you know. When I look, now that was me see. Now the grass. But that's, then time the window did crack.
Yes.
So I just take the chair and chair there around there in the garden. Take the chair and put it at the window, stand up and make sure it's comfortable.
Yes.
And take the hose, turn on the hose, and turn on the hose, and carry go the window and climb up, and I shove the hose to the window. I hold it there, and I hold it there for a little while too.
And you know, wheel.
Blood clot, girl, what you do? And after the girl ball out, just zoop in the taxi and zoop. I never bother go to my yard. Just go to my workplace to go and chill out.
I didn't care for you, but I know where you live.
No. So when I go to my yard, and water that I see I run out of my house.
Why went up your place?
The boy go back to my yard, go take the hose and put through my window and left it and run.
That's a good thing to say the guy your yard.
It's like me there in my workplace and a spirit I say, I said me there in my workplace. No, I lie. Him see one call me and tell me say my house a flood out if me not go sewer or go on. Then time them me say, me not go nowhere, it's a trick. And a spirit I say, no Tamara, go and go sewer, go and yeah. Then time I live up at Beverly Hills, you know. So when I go, and the man wife that own the place, cause rent me a pay. So the man blind, but the woman, she see everything but our umbilical woman. So and the woman that I say, I look for my room door, my flat doorway. Water run through it. And I wet up them car porch, cause my room doorway, my room doorway, the entrance from my flat, the right of them car porch. Blood clean. My whole of my house flood out, everything was up on the floor, wet out.
So what you have to do, ma?
A good thing is I never wet up my mattress and my chair them and sitting. Cause all today day my mother will take. I say all my TV water run out.
What do you work after? Oh.
You never wet up nothing in there.
Okay, just pan it, you know, yeah, on the top.
Yes, sir.
I just wipe off that.
TV they're good, you know how long the TV work. Cause the TV, they may give end up with my mother the TV there. She have a TV they use up to year before last. You know how much years that? About 17 years.
You carry it.
Yeah man, the girl get water, she lucky she get.
You look at water and get, but that the mother say, tell grand say, man, the woman lucky say water and get. It should be a for acid.